Quiet.
Quiet on the set.
Lights. Camera. So I'm doing like do I need to say that my hair's crunchy? I felt it crunch.
No.
I'll do crunch. I am trying to prevent humidity. Some of my favorite things for summer skin are this Murad Anti-Aging Broad Spectrum SPF. You need this, put it all down your neck, on your chest, on your ears. SPF always. On your, another product that I really like, and I made Brian do it with me last night, is this Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. I feel like in the summertime, because I am hotter, that
She's hot in the winter too.
that my pores get clogged easier, and I already have to be careful from that. So I try to use this at least once a week, and I spot treat with it if I need to.
I have that too. I love it.
Yes, yeah, I love it. And I got mine at, where did I get it? TJ Maxx or Marshalls for like half of what it was. Y'all need to check there. That's a good
That's
tip.
the best kept secret is check TJ Maxx and Marshalls.
Yeah, and one thing I always do is, of course, I make sure that the package has an open.
Yes.
And then on most products, there's a little expiration date that lets you know how long the product lasts. And if it's anywhere from like this one, 24 months. So I know that it's not been on the shelf there.
Yeah.
Right. So I check that too. And yeah, I always, I mean, if you know products kind of like we're supposed to, you know which ones. And I got an eye cream from Marshall's, no, TJ Maxx the other day. And I just Google it and I looked up the real price just to make sure. I mean,
that you're getting a good deal.
Yeah.
Be careful with hair products. Shampoos can be dumped out and filled back in.
I don't always
feel like those are the real deal. But I'm with Lindsay. I've gotten several packages from there of like the Elizabeth Arden. If it's fully sealed, she's right. It has to be fully sealed.
Yeah.
That sounds bad, but people will like replace things, return things.
Yeah, no, they will.
That have been used for a long time. So
yeah,
that is a good tip though. I told a friend the other day, I was like, check Marshalls or TJ Maxx. You know that it's that line of stores that you can sometimes find that stuff at.
So my other favorite kind of product, I love bronzer, I love highlight, but I feel like a lot of times people forget about blush because we're so into bronzer and highlights. And I love those products, but blush makes a huge difference. I don't have any on now, so I'm hoping that y'all can tell the difference.
Do like one
Should I demo it?
And then
So this is the Milani Baked Blush. This is an amazing drugstore blush, which most of the time they don't last as long.
And
I love like a name brand blush, but this one lasts a really long time. It's Bella Bellini.
Bella, ooh, I love the name.
Bella Bellini.
Show us where you get that from.
Okay, so
Sorry.
you can pick this up. I think Target and Walmart both carry it. I think. Yeah. And a lot of drugstores carry it too. Like CVS has it. Okay,
Yeah,
so I like to do blush higher up on my cheekbone. I love blush, and I love it in the summertime, give you like a healthy glow. And another thing that I like to do after, and then I'll show you this. Okay, so go in, get that blush on there. Okay. And then at the end, I take my wet beauty blender that I've used to like do my foundation and my concealer, and I just kind of like go over it and make sure everything is blended together. So there's no like harsh lines, and it's damp. You can use Fix Plus on this if you want to, but just kind of go over it and just take out any like harsh edges. Don't take off all your blush, but just take out like those harsh edges. So
I like it.
that's my quick
I like it. Me too.
Well, thanks.
You too.
No.
Or you could just like put it on.
I could just like pretend. I love pictures that are like